Good day everyone, this is going to be a quick build report and sound demo of the Bazz Fuzz, or as I've called it, the 7-minute Fuzz. I've called it the 7-minute Fuzz because of the other video I've got, build a guitar pedal in 10 minutes. I actually managed to get the video down to 7 minutes. So I'm pretty happy with the powder coating job. It's not perfect, but I've had a lot of issues with candy finish, and they always turn out pretty bad, whereas this one actually looks like it's got a decent coverage. There's still defects with the finish. You can see there's a big mark there from the silver paint that's come through, but it turned out pretty good considering my track record with candy finishes. This is a perfect candidate for a 1590A because it's so small. I've designed the PCB myself in dip trace and made it pretty small. It doesn't really get much smaller than this. So I've used sockets for the transistor and the diode just so I can play around with some of the components and tweak it to my liking. And basically the best combination I've found is the MPSA 13 with this particular diode, which is actually a old school diode. It's called a CD2A. And I think that sounds the best. The next runner-up would probably be the BAT41. I'm going to show you the difference with these in the sound demo. The difference can be subtle, but yeah, when you're in front of the amp, it's probably a bit more obvious. But hopefully you'll be able to hear it through the sound demo. So we'll go on to the sound demo now, and first I'll just do a comparison between the MPSA and the 2N5088. And then I'll do a few comparisons between the different diodes and what they sound like with the MPSA back in. So here we go. Sorry, a couple other things I forgot to mention. Just with the LED, I'm not quite sure how I managed to make it as bright as 1,000 suns, but yeah, it turned out that way. And I'm just looking at the screen here. It actually looks pretty cool through the video, but it's incredibly bright. And also, I'll also do a demo of a boost in front of it, just hitting the front end, because particularly with the 2N5088, you can make it sound a lot better actually when you when you push the front of it. So that'll be part of the sound demo coming up right now.